Hello participant, welcome. I'm Rakesh Mohan, speed mathematics expert and memory trainer. In this video, I'm making for students how to enjoy mathematics, how to overcome fear of mathematics. Okay, usually most of the students they love mathematics. At the same time, most of the students they also have fear of mathematics or they hate mathematics. When they listen to the word maths or mathematics, they suddenly feel shivering in their mind. They don't feel like doing mathematics. They enjoy other subjects, but they don't enjoy mathematics. Why is it so? Is it because mathematics is so difficult? No, students, I'll tell you, mathematics is the easiest of all subjects. If you understand how to study mathematics and if you know how to work with mathematics, mathematics will become the most easiest subject and you'll start enjoying mathematics like anything. The way you enjoy cricket, the way you enjoy computer games, the way you enjoy other sports, you can enjoy mathematics. Compared to theory subjects, maths is full of numbers. So what is mathematics? In simple words, mathematics is called the queen of all sciences. It is the queen. See why it is called the queen of all sciences? Because if you take any subject in the world, any subject, it can be physics, chemistry, biology, history, or accounts. You take any subject, you have mathematics in that, no doubt. So to define mathematics in other words, it can say mathematics is the science of numbers. It is all about logic. It is all about concepts. That's all. You have to understand how the number works, how the number behaves. You have to understand the concepts. You have to understand the formulas. You have to know how to remember the formulas and how to apply the formulas. That's all. If you know these basic things, mathematics will be just very easy for you. Mathematics is very easy for you. Now why mathematics is important? First I'll tell you that. See, if you take any competitive exams, it can be civil service exams, it can be CA exams, banking exams, IIT JEE, or you take any exams, you have mathematics in subject in that. So you cannot escape with mathematics. If you want to have a beautiful life, a beautiful future ahead, then you have to pass competitive exams. And if you want to pass competitive exams, then you should face mathematics. And the early age itself is the right time you become expert in mathematics. Okay, first, if you are not good in mathematics, don't worry. You can become expert in mathematics in just few days or few weeks. You don't require for that. I'll tell you how. If you're already good in mathematics, then you can brush up your speed of doing quicker mathematics. Like you can brush up how to do calculations faster. You can learn even more advanced concepts so that you become more and more expert in mathematics. Okay, now I've got five techniques how you can enjoy mathematics, how to study mathematics, and how to become expert in mathematics. Okay, the first technique is brush up your basics. Brush up or make your basics stronger. See, most important mathematics is the basics. Unlike theory subjects, if you are not good in basics, no problem, you can remember by understanding. But in mathematics, if you are not good in basics, then the next step will become difficult, or even you will not understand even a single thing. So basics are very important. For example, the basics thing that we learned in our primary school is multiplication tables, addition tables, subtractions, divisions. So you should be very good in multiplication tables. And our teachers have taught us that you should know tables from 1 to 20. But if you know tables from 1 to 20, no use. You should know tables from 1 to 99. And you don't have to by heart that. You can use innovative techniques or simple calculation techniques to learn multiplication tables. So learn to do calculation, multiplication tables from your mind. Learn the techniques. Learn to do additions from your mind. Learn to do subtractions quickly. And learn to do some techniques which helps you to do divisions quickly. So these basic techniques of addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, finding percentages, finding fractions, and basic things of decimals, all this will help you to brush up your basic things. Not only in arithmetic, but also in algebra, geometry, and other subjects and word problems. So brush up your basics. Make sure that you learn the basics correctly and you know how to apply the basics. This is the first technique. The second technique to become expert in mathematics is understand the concepts clearly. Mathematics is all about concepts. It starts with a concept. Say for example, you take arithmetic, it starts with a concept. You take algebra, it starts with a concept. Say for example, a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you should know this. What is the concept? That if you take a plus b whole square formula, it has the derivative a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you understand the concepts. If you don't understand the concepts, learn the concepts from your teachers. Ask any senior student. Make sure that you are very clear with your concept. Once you understand the concept, then solving the problems will become very, very easy for you. This is the second technique. The third technique is learn to remember formulae. Very, very important. Dear students, mathematics is all about formulas. You take algebra, you take arithmetic, you take geometry, you take any subject. It's all about formulas. So you should find some innovative technique how to remember formulas. The best technique to remember formula is to make flashcards. For example, you take a visiting size sheet of paper and you write the name of the formula on the front. For example, simple interest formula. You want to remember simple interest formula, right? Simple interest on the front, and the back side write the formula PTR over 100. You can use sketch pens, different color pens. So by making formula flashcards like this, you can take any formulas, then you can make a group of flashcards, you can staple it, you can keep in your pocket, and whenever you're free, you keep checking, referring or memorizing the formulas from the flashcards. Flashcards is best technique to remember formulas. As far as you don't remember formulas, you cannot apply, you cannot use the formulas. Okay, so formulas are very, very important. And the fourth step to be very good in mathematics is understand the logic. Understand the logic. Logic is very, very important. You have to use your logical intelligence. What is logical intelligence? Logical intelligence is all about understanding the problem. See, as far as you don't understand the problem, you cannot solve it. So how do you understand the problem? See, the best way to understand the problems in mathematics is you have to observe the data given. When you read the problem, imagine or observe very clearly, observe the data given. If you observe the data given, that is 99% you'll understand the problem. Only 1% is analyzing, okay, what exactly is the problem. So it matters is how quickly, how faster and how speedily you understand the problem. Now, you will be able to understand the problem only if you know the concepts clearly. So dear students, understanding is very, very important. And some problems are easy to understand. Some problems are okay, we can understand. And some problems are very difficult to understand. There is nothing called easy or difficulty in mathematics problems. It's all about understanding the logic behind the problem. See, I'll give you one simple example. Imagine you have a 15-meter long wood, a 15-meter long wood, and you can cut 1 meter wood every day. A 1 meter wood every day. So my question is, how many days it takes you to cut 15-meter long wood? So what is the logic? The logic is you have to find the data. The data is 15-meter long wood, and second data is you can cut 1 meter every day. And what is the question? How many days it takes you to cut a 15-meter long wood? So if you don't understand the logic, then you cannot solve the problem. Usually 99% of the students say, sir, to cut 15-meter long wood, it takes 15 days. Because you have logic is 1 meter one day, 15 meters, 15 days. But the logic is not correct. Your logic is not correct. Answer is wrong. Answer is not 15. Answer is 14. Why and how? See, to cut 1 meter, you are cutting 1 meter wood every day, and 14 meters wood you have cut in 14 days. And the 15th meter, that 1 meter, you don't have to cut because it's already there. So 15th meter, you don't have to cut. The 15 meter, 1 meter is already there. So answer is 14. It takes 14 days to cut a 15-meter long wood. Now you have understood the logic behind this. So any question related to this kind of problems, you can solve very easily because you have understood the problems. The best way to develop your logical intelligence is play puzzles. Okay, play logical puzzles, number puzzles, okay, brain teasing puzzles. So daily take 10 to 15 puzzles, spend minimum 10 to 15 minutes every day, take some time outside, try to solve the puzzles. Initially you may find difficulty to solve the puzzles, but every day as you keep practicing or try to solve the puzzles, you start getting new ideas, creative ideas, and understanding the logic behind the puzzles. See, another example I'll give you for a logical puzzle is like this. There are two fathers and two sons. They go to a forest and they hunt three birds. Okay, and they share it equally. They share three birds equally. Okay, they will not cut the bird. Okay, they will not eat it. So how the two fathers and two sons share three birds equally? So usually it is confusing, but answer is very simple. The logic is in the question itself. Two fathers and two sons. There are no two fathers and two sons. There are only three people: grandfather, son, and grandson. Because grandfather and son, there are two fathers, and son and grandson, there are two sons. So three people share three birds equally. See, the logic is very simple. Like this, all mathematical problems can be solved very easily if you understand the logic. This is the fourth technique, dear students. The fifth technique is very important. Learn to do calculations 10 times faster. Learn to increase your speed of calculations. As you go from primary school to middle school to high school to intermediate, what you have to do, you have to keep on increasing the speed of your calculations. If you follow always the rote method of calculation or step-by-step calculation, you're wasting your time in board exams, in competitive exams. You will not be having time to solve so many problems because you will not get any calculator to do calculations, and you cannot use your question paper to crack doing question calculations. Am I right? You'll be wasting your time. So you have to learn techniques which will help you to do calculations very quickly. It may be addition, subtraction, division, multiplications, any basic calculations. Learn to do calculations from your mind. I give Shakuntala Devi. She used to do calculations, not only simple calculations, complex calculations from her mind. How? Is she a mathematics genius? No, she just used the techniques of calculation and she practiced it. That's why she was able to do huge complex calculations from her mind. That's why she was known as human computer. Human computer. I got a chance to design one technique called infinite calendar. For in 2014 I created the world record for inventing infinite calendar. So what is infinite calendar? Infinite calendar is a technique which you can tell any day of any date of any century of infinity. For example, if you ask me 2nd October 1869, I can calculate and tell you it is Saturday, or 15th August 1947, it is Friday, 14th November 1889, it is Thursday, or 15th October 2024, it is Monday. Or you can ask me 1st January 7764857640, okay, it is Wednesday. Any date I can calculate in just less than 5 seconds. I can tell you which day it comes. Why? It is because of speed calculation techniques. If you ask me 364 into 128, how much? It is 746582. If you ask what is 84 square, 84 square, you can tell the answer instantly. If you ask 88 cube, what is 88 into 88 into 88? Okay, it is, okay, 682742. You can tell the answer. Or opposite, cube root. What is the cube root of 421875? Answer is 75. Now you should tell the answers from your mind without using paper and pen. Any calculations. It can be subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, squaring, square root, cubing, cube root, or simplifications, HCF, LCM, percentages, decimal multiplications. Okay, so this is very important. So let me summarize the 5 techniques to become expert in mathematics and enjoy mathematics easily. Is first technique, brush up your basics. Second technique, very well understand the concepts very clearly. Third technique, memorize and learn to how to use the formulas using flashcards. Fourth one, use logical intelligence, understand the logic behind the problems. And fifth technique is learn to do calculations 2 to 10 times faster. See, by using these 5 techniques, if you master these 5 techniques, surely you will become expert in mathematics. You feel, oh, mathematics is so easy for me. Dear students, now I want to conclude with all high paying professions, high salaried professions are here they require mathematics. You take engineering, medicine, CA, law, fashion designing, or top executives. If you want to become a top level executive, top level professional, then you should be very good in mathematics, no doubt about that. If you dream of a high profile career in your future, if you want to have a secure future, then you should be expert in mathematics. So try to put effort to become expert in mathematics. Learn to do mathematics very smarter way. Mathematics is not a luxury, mathematics is a necessity, students. So learn. Mathematics is not about scoring marks. Mathematics is enjoying the way of life, because mathematics is our life. We breathe mathematics every day, every moment, every second. We cannot live our life without mathematics. So learn to do mathematics, start enjoying mathematics, spend time with those students, classmates, teachers who are good in mathematics, learn something from them. Surely you will be very shortest possible time you will become expert in mathematics. You can score 100 out of 100 in mathematics in any board exam, school exam, competitive exam. You can crack any mathematics problems very easily, and you can feel more confident, more positive. Yes, I can face any mathematics problem, mathematics exam successfully. Fine. Thank you very much for listening to me, how to become expert in mathematics. If you have enjoyed, please do subscribe for my channel. I'll come with more and more videos on different topics on how to study smarter, how to become expert in different subjects. I'm Rakesh Mohan. Thank you.